Hi, namaste. So let's talk about our pranayama for the month of July. This month, we're going to work with Seethali breath. And Seethali breath is an amazing pranayama that translates to mean cooling breath. It's something that we can practice when we feel our physical energy or our emotional energy heating up. Sheet is a word in Sanskrit that means frigid or cold, and Seethali means that which cools or calms. So this is a beautiful breathing technique that can be used to lower your heat level, to balance pitta dosha. It can be used after you've had too much physical exertion, after you've been out in the heat, in the direct sunlight. It can be used when you're in a situation where you feel like you're getting fired up. And if you practice it consistently during the warmer weathers, you should feel yourself start to have this beautiful cooling effect on your mind and on your body. So how do we practice it? Well, let's start by coming to a comfortable seat. And when we work with Seethali, the thing we have to be able to do is curl our tongue. So this is how we curl our tongue. Let's make it into a little loop. Now, some of us have difficulty curling our tongue. If you are one of the people that have difficulty curling your tongue, then you're going to have to use the Seethali pranayama. And in that case, what you'll do is you'll take the tip of your tongue, you'll place it to the back of your lower teeth, and then you'll kind of smile, and you'll breathe in as you draw the breath over through the teeth and across the tongue to cool the breath down. Okay, so either curl the tongue or place the tip of the tongue at the back of the bottom teeth and kind of smile, open the lips a little bit, open the teeth a little. And then with both practices, you're going to go, right? And you're going to draw the breath over the tongue. And that is what creates like the air conditioner effect, right? Cooling and calming. So we'll do that. And then once you inhale, you'll pause for a moment, and then you'll take Nasagra Mudra. You'll make your peace sign. Bring your right thumb to your right nostril, and you'll exhale out slowly and gently through your left nostril. Okay, just releasing out all of that excess heat. All right, so let's try it. So you can begin with the curled tongue or the tongue to the back of the teeth. You'll inhale. You'll retain for a moment, and then take peace sign to the third eye, right thumb to the right nostril, and exhale slowly out through the left nostril. Beautiful. You can do it 3 rounds, 6 rounds, 9 rounds, 27 rounds. Let's try 9 rounds together. So inhale, pause, exhale slowly through the left nostril. Relax. Once again, inhale. Let the breath flow over the tongue. Cooling and calming. Pause. Peace sign to the third eye. Exhale slowly through the left nostril. Beautiful. Inhale again, curling the tongue or touching the teeth. Pause. Peace sign to the third eye. Close the right nostril. Exhale slowly through the left. Beautiful. And moving very slowly, staying relaxed. Fourth round. Inhale. Exhale through the left nostril. Relax. Fifth round, curling tongue, touching teeth. Exhaling through the left. Relaxing. Sixth round. Pause. Exhale left. Pause. 7th round, inhale. Pause and exhale through the left. Eighth round, inhale. Pause and exhale through the left. Final round, inhale. Exhale left. You can sit in stillness. You can take Jala Mudra, touch the thumb to the pinky, lower the hands down to the knees. Close your eyes. Visualize that cool, calm, clearing energy moving through your system. You can close your practice with Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste. So you can also work with breath retention with Seethali, but it's a little bit more advanced, so you might want to check with a yoga teacher for guidance. Otherwise, also best to practice it on an empty stomach. It will be more cooling. It will have more of a cooling effect because you won't have the heat of the Agni, of your digestive fire, heating you up at the same time. And enjoy. You can practice it under the moonlight, which will be especially cooling. I'm so happy to be practicing it in front of the water element with a nice, beautiful, cloudy sky, keeping my pitta down. It's a beautiful feeling to be in the clouds when pitta is up, because the clouds reduce the pitta as opposed to the sun, which elevates the pitta, yeah? But anytime you find yourself in that situation where you're too hot, just curl the tongue, or tongue to the back of the teeth, and let it go. Cool it all down. Namaste.